देवी और सज्जनों, ये भारत में त्योहारों का मौसम है। इस फेस्टिव मूड में ये ग्लोबल फिनटेक फेस्टिवल हो रहा है और वो भी सपनों की नगरी मुंबई में।
My name is Madiha Khan. I am an anchor journalist, author, and a fintech enthusiast. And the way I look at it, when we are standing at right now is a very pivotal moment because finance and technology are converging to reshape our future. And I believe that this combination is going to prove to be promising for not just innovation, but resilience and inclusivity also. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to the 5th edition of Global FinTech Fest. Can you please have a huge round of applause? When we talk about financial technology, this is basically the application of technological innovations for products and services in the financial industry. Now, the base was laid back in the early 19th century with telegraphs and transatlantic cable systems. By the time we entered 1960s, we saw the advent of ATMs. And in the early 70s, we already had coined the word fintech, which in itself is a convergence of two words, finance and technology. If there is one word that we can use to define the effect that fintech innovations have had on trading, banking, financial advice, and products, it is disruption. And the word in itself has its own fan base. So you'd be wondering, am I going to start my own panel discussion over here? No, I'm not. I just happen to know all of this because I was here for the first day of GF. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Madiha Khan and I officially welcome all of you to the second day of the 5th Global FinTech Fest. Please give a huge round of applause. Final day at Global FinTech Fest 2024. I wish and I hope that each and every one of you over here have the opportunity to at least virtually or physically attend the PM address. The past 2 days have been a whirlwind of inspiration, innovation, collaboration. We've explored limitless possibilities for technical advancements in financial industry. And along with that, we've challenged the status quo, we forged new connections. I wish and I hope that all of you have walked out of the sessions with a lot of inspiration and clearer perspectives on things. Today, being the final day at Global FinTech Fest 2024, we have a lot more interesting sessions awaiting all of you in the realm of finance and technology.
भारत का फिनटेक इकोसिस्टम पूरी दुनिया की ईज ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ाएगा और मैं कहता हूं, बड़े विश्वास से कहता हूं, आवर बेस्ट इज येट टू कम। इसी भरोसे के साथ आप सबको मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।